Hello everyone, today I'm going to be preparing mutton keema. This is going to taste exceptionally delicious because I'm going to be putting potatoes, peas and soya leaves in it. So let's have a look at the ingredients that we have taken. These are soya leaves, which is essentially a fresh herb. It has a very strong flavor and aroma. It is very rich in calcium and phosphorus. 250 grams green peas. We won't be using entire bunch. We'll be needing 1 cup soya leaves. So discard the stem and finely chop the leaves. Now keep it aside. Now let's have a look at the other ingredients that we have taken. Half kg minced mutton, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt as per taste, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon each, onion paste of 1 large onion, 1/4 cup mustard oil, 1 cup shelled green peas, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 1 cup soya leaves that we have chopped. Among whole spices we have taken 3 cloves, green cardamoms 3, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 kebab chini or tailed pepper. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, fry onions. Fry onions till they become light brown. In goes the whole spices. Our onion has turned light brown. Now put the spices in it. So in goes onion paste, ginger garlic paste, and all the powdered spices that we have taken. Now mix it well. Gravy appears dry, so I'm going to be putting 1/4 cup water in it. Fry till the raw flavor of the spices is gone. It will take 3 to 4 minutes on low-medium flame. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Oil has started separating from masala. Now put minced mutton in it. Cook it on high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt. Now close the lid and let it cook on low flame until it's almost done. In between, keep checking and stirring. I haven't added water here because mutton also releases water and gets cooked in the same water. Press with your fingers to check if it's almost done. Once it's 90% done, add the vegetables. So in goes the green peas, cubed potatoes, and washed soya leaves. Now stir it well. Now close the lid and cook till it's completely done. If you are cooking it in a pressure cooker, just 2 whistles will be needed for potatoes to become soft. Yes, our potatoes have become soft. At the end, I'm going to be putting 1 teaspoon kevda water for good aroma. And our delicious keema is ready to serve. It goes well with roti, paratha or rice. I'm going to be serving it hot with roti. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. And it's ready. Guys, I'm sure you'll love the recipe. Do try. And do share your experience with us. Just a gentle reminder, if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Thank you for watching my video.